What's up guys, I'm James and welcome back to the Great Gambino Watch Reviews. In this video, I will be going over my opinion of the Omega Seamaster 300 and how it has held up after owning and wearing it for over a year. If you are looking for something that covers more of the specs and a full overview of this piece, I will have a link to my original review in the description down below. I want to mention that I purchased this piece through Joma Shop. Up until this point, I have not had any movement issues and the watch still keeps excellent time. One of the perks of the Seamaster is that the laser cut wave dial as well as the bezel are made of ceramic. In addition, the bezel numeral markings are enamel filled. The combination of both of these materials will reduce oxidization throughout time, and as you can see, these parts of the watch still look to be in mint condition. Now this watch does see more wrist time than any other in my collection, and I even wear it to sleep. So as far as the case, you are going to see some scratches that are part of the normal wear and tear. Most of them are not noticeable unless you have them under a macro lens, like the one we are using for this video. However, I did scuff the watch against a wall accidentally, and it caused a visible scratch at the top right lug. I'm not too worried about it because I do not plan on ever selling this piece, and scratches are going to happen. The bracelet is an area that has quite a bit of scuff marks. This is most likely because I am an editor and my wrist is always sliding on a wooden desk. Again, I am not expecting this particular piece to stay in perfect condition as I want to enjoy it throughout my life. One of the things I have really enjoyed about the brand is that in addition to having a diver extension, it also has a push button glide lock micro adjustment. This has been very useful with the transition of weather, being able to have a comfortable fit on the fly. One of the things I do not like about the band is that it is a tad bit bulky. I would have preferred if it had a taper similar to the new Omega Speedmaster band seen here. Overall, it would have made the watch wear a little bit better on smaller wrists. I will be doing a comparison between the new Seamaster and Speedmaster models in an upcoming video. Even though they are very different, like myself, I know many people are struggling to decide which one of these two is the right choice for them. I recommend subscribing if that is something you are looking forward to seeing. I just want to show this movement quick. I'm not going to talk about the specs, but as I said before, it is still keeping excellent time and I've had no issues there. But if you would like to know more about the specs, check out the link below to my previous review. Here's a quick shot of the lume. For the price of the watch, I would like it if the intensity of the brightness lasted a bit longer. It will stay illuminated throughout an entire night, but at this point, I have seen micro brands that hold their intensity much longer. But with that said, the lume is decent. And here's a shot on my 6.75-inch wrist. One of the last things I want to talk about is sizing. A lot of people are hesitant with this watch because they feel it is too large. In my personal experience, I have become so used to the size that I don't even think about that anymore. I feel it has become a rule for a watch nerd such as myself to have a diver 40 millimeters on the dot. But from the mainstream perspective, most people wear gigantic G-Shocks or Apple Watches, and the size of this watch looks pretty standard. The lug-to-lug is 50 millimeters and does not hang off my wrist with a little bit of extra room on each side to spare. It fits comfortably with the glide lock adjustment, and I happily wear this watch with no problems almost every day. I feel I made the right choice when purchasing the Seamaster 300 as it fits my lifestyle and I really enjoy it thus far. The build quality is excellent and it's going to hold up for many years into the future. So that is my current opinion after 1 year on the wrist. Now I will leave you with some outdoor shots to give you some examples of this piece in natural lighting. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.
Go, Gambino!